If you've done any maintenance on your brakes, you need to go into the iDrive menu and reset the service warnings. To get to that menu, push the ignition button once, make sure your foot's off the brake. My gauges go through a full sweep here because I have a JB4 in the car. Now in the lower left corner of the gauge cluster, push and hold that button for 5 seconds. That'll open up the menu here, and the first thing you see for me is a vehicle check. Just tap the button so you find the item you want to reset. Here's the brake fluid. We're going to reset this, so push and hold the button. It says reset with a question mark. Push and hold the button again, and it says reset in progress. It'll go through its little cycle here, and when it's done, it says reset successful. Then to find another item you want to reset, just push the button. Here we've got the rear brake pads, so we're going to reset that, so push and hold the button. It said reset with a question mark. Then push and hold the button again, and reset in progress. Once again, it goes through its little cycle. Once it's done, it'll say reset successful. On to the next item. So here's the front brake pads, push and hold the button. Reset with a question mark, and push and hold the button again, and reset in progress. That's it, that's all there is to it. Hope the video was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cool? Later.